So today what we are going to do is creating a website with moving background, not the complete website. I'm going to show you how to create a moving background to your website. Everyone can try it, or even if you are not in software field, you can also try it. So open Notepad or Notepad++. Don't worry if you didn't have Notepad++, you can use Notepad. So this is the structure of our web page. So don't worry if you have no idea about it, leave it as it is and copy this if you want to build your own. Okay, and here is the part where we are going to give all the information about our website. So I am going to give a title here as my profile. I'll show you where the title goes in your web page, and then body is the part where our content will goes, and I am going to give a division. Inside that I am again going to give another division inside the main division, and we need to give specific styles to each division so that I am specifying ID for each division so that we can design it separately. And main, here we can give layer. Okay, and we are going to start the design part. So the design part is going in the head section, and need to give inside style tag. And first we are designing just a body div, display block. Just you can just copy and paste. Okay, I'm not asking you to learn the complete process. You can ask me if you have some doubt. And here we are going to give the designing of main division. So for moving background, I need one background image for that. So background image URL, inside that I have to give the image name. Okay, so my image is bg.jpg, and I am going to save the image in the same folder where I am going to save this document, and rest I am going to copy. Okay, so I copied the style for the main division. I think we can just run this document. I am going to save this in my desktop, and I am going to give the name of the file as index, and you have to give the extension is HTML. Okay, so I save my image. To look it better, we can give some spacing so that it looks like perfectly stacked. Okay, better. So I am going to my desktop, and here it is, my index.html. Yeah, this is the picture, and it's not moving now, so we are gonna do the animation part. Okay, it's also going inside the style tag. For animation we are using at keyframes, and then we have to give an animation name. It can be anything, you can choose your name. And I am going to move my image from one position to another. So from the position of background image, okay, so background position 0%. Make sure you're having a picture that have wider width, okay. To background position 1000%. Let me see. And then we have to give the animation name. Animation slide is our animation name, so slide. I forgot to give that how much time it will take to move from 0% to 1000%, that we have to give. And then how many times it have to be repeat, I am going to give infinite. And then linear, go to the page and then refresh. Is it moving? No, I think a little bit that we cannot feel. It's moving. Let me change this to 500 seconds. Yeah, can you feel it? It's moving. This time and the value we are giving here, it's all depends on your image. You can change as your wish. Okay, so if we are giving a content here, it will not be very visible to us. Let me show you. I am going to give a heading. For heading we are using H1, H2, H3 and all those things. I am going to give text zone. So okay to give. And see where is text zone. Here it is, and we cannot see. So what we are going to do is we are going to give some design to this layer div and hash layer. I'm sorry, I'm having cold. And minimum height 100 ph. Okay, this thing minimum height 100 ph will take the complete width of the page for that division. And then I am going to give a background color RGBA. I am not going to explain all those things now. Okay, let me see how it works. No. Okay, I think this is actually black. 000 is again black, and I am giving transparency to that color. So this is white 255 255 255. You can change the values here from 0 to 255. Change any, this is red, this is green, and this is blue. You can change the value of red, green and blue, and you can also change the value here from 0 to 1. That will affect the transparency. See, it's up to you. Okay, so margin 0px. Yep, and you can change this to here and all that. See, I have given some style to my h1 tab, my heading. It's I'm not going to specify all those things. Maybe if you need some help, you can ask me in the comments. And this is how you can make a floating or sliding background. That's it for today. Take care. Bye bye.